Hi guys! So, ang dami-dami sa inyo kabilaan yung mga nire-request na lip swatch sa akin. So, iisa-isahin natin yan guys. Pero for today, pagbibigyan ko muna yung mga nag-request ng Sace Lady Cosmetics. Kasi ang lip swatch ko is the Sace Lady Matte Lip Tint or Tattoo Lip Tint. So, this is a long-lasting, matte finish, and highly pigmented na liquid lipstick. Wala naman sila masyadong mabubulaklak na pangako aside from long-wearing nga siya, waterproof, tapos soft yung texture, and velvety matte yung finish, and very easy to wear daw. Ngayon, before we proceed with the lip swatch, papakita ko muna yung wear test na ginawa ko. Kasi syempre, we have to see kung gano'n siya ka-long-lasting like they promise. And I can say na it's fairly long-lasting. It's going to last for as long as it can. Kung wala ka masyadong ginagawa sa labi mo, dadada ka lang, chichika ka lang, ay dahil long-lasting to. Pero if you're gonna eat, eventually mababawasan at mababawasan siya. Hindi naman like super tapyas agad. Depende on what you're going to eat, depende on how you eat. Hindi naman siya agad-agad mabubura. May laban naman siya kahit papaano. Is it mask-proof? I can say na it's 90% mask-proof, lalo na kapag wala ka pang ginagawa sa lips mo. Kasi depende on the moisture on your lips, or depende sa moisture na sa loob ng mask mo, meron at merong matatransfer, pero very minimal. Pero dahil yung pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga sa kanya is yung finish niya. It has this, it's a classic matte finish, pero like may slight airy, velvety, cloudy effect. You know what? Let me just show you. Let's start with the lip swatch. So the packaging looks like this. It's just, you know, a plain black na box. But dahil look at the mismong packaging of the product. It's really sleek, really nice. Got 9 shades kasi yun yung nasa ano nila, nasa Shopee account nila. Pero medyo weird yung numbering kasi may mga numbers na missed. Let's start with number 1. Alright guys, so this is number 1. I know, it's so light. It doesn't suit me, pero I'm pretty sure it's going to suit yung skin tones like super duper light, like paler than me. If you're looking for a nude pinky shade, this would be it. Pero you can also use this if meron kang parang avant-garde look you're going for, but it doesn't suit me, so yeah, let's move on. So yeah, this is the shade number 1. Next one is number 2, and why do I feel like it's going to be another light shade? Oh my god guys, this is number 2 and it's so nice. I love it. It's nude with a little bit of peachy pink and a little bit of brown tone to it. Basta ang perfect. It's a warm tone nude color. And it has this pouty effect on my lips. Alam mo yun? I love it. Go get this shade, you guys. Number 2. Next shade, we have number 4. We're skipping number 3 kasi walang number 3 dun sa options nung bumili ako eh. So, oh my god, you guys, this is number 4. Another panalong shade. Can you see that? It is so nice. Another thing that I like about the formula of this one is andaling mag-overline. Iilan lang yung mga liquid lipstick na alam mo yun, kahit mag-overline ka is flawless pa rin yung itsura niya. Alam mo yun, para magmumukha pa rin siyang your lips at hindi yung parang nilagpas mo lang sa lips mo, if you know what I mean. By the way, opacity niya is around 90%. Can use like 1.5 layer to like actually fully cover your lips. But nonetheless, ang ganda talaga ng finish dye. So yeah, this is number 4. Another shade that you should get because this is like bagay sa lahat ng skin tone. And it's for every day. So yeah, number 4. Next, we have number 5. Parang magkakamukha lang sila sa lalagyan, no? Pero iba-iba naman. Dye. This is number 5 and dye. This is definitely not one of my favorites. I mean, it's a summery color. It's quite bright. So if you're looking for a Barbie pink, this would be it. Like bordering Nicki Minaj pink. This would be it. But for me, it's not my cup of tea. Pero some of you might like it. Lalo na kung ikaw is sobrang puti. Or kung morena ka, deep morena ka. Like Cardi B, Nicki Minaj feels. So yeah, this is number 5. Let's go with number 6. So this is number 6 and it's another summery light color. It's like a papaya peachy color. Medyo a little bit matingkad siya, pero feeling ko kekerihin naman. Lalo na nga if you're looking for a pop of color, you're wearing an all black ensemble or all nude, and yung focus is gusto mo na sa labi mo. Girl, this is the shade. Do I like it? Nung unang apply ko, hindi masyado. Pero now na nag-set na siya and everything, parang medyo cutie pie naman siya. Again, it's a little bit matingkad, pero hindi naman siya yung pinaka-super matingkad na papaya shade that I've ever tried. Ganda kasi talaga ng effect. So yeah, this is number 6. You know what guys, so far napapansin ko, ang ganda ng shade range, medyo magkakalayo naman sila, alam mo yun. Wala pa ako na-encounter na magkakamukha. Also guys, this is not the type of liquid lipstick na madaling matanggal ng tissue. You need wet wipes or a little bit of baby oil or makeup remover to like actually remove it. Now let's go for number 8. Okay, so number 8 is one of those shades na ang hirap i-describe. Okay, let me try this. It's a predominantly brown, nude brown with a little bit of pink and a little bit of peach. It will suit any skin tone and it's good for every day. Now na nag-set na siya, yeah, brown pink. Pero meron pa rin siyang a little bit of peachy undertone. But I like it. Dai! Another shade that you should get. So yeah, this is number 8. Ganda. Last 3 shades, let's go with number 10. Alright guys, so this is number 10 and this is their burnt orange entry. Ngayon, sa mga nakaraang videos ko, palagi kong sinasabi, nowadays, I'm not so into burnt oranges, but some of you might like this shade. Kasi again, ang ganda ng finish. It's matte, it's velvety matte. So some of you might like this, but for me, it's not my favorite. So yeah, this is number 10. Number 11. Ooh, is this red? Sabi ni Kaba, it's red. Pero hindi siya like blue toned red. I feel like this is still a warm red. Pero meron siyang orangey undertone. Pero predominantly red. Do I like this type of red? At some extent. Ma-blue tone red kasi ako. Pero if you're a warm tone red fanatic, you would definitely love this. So again, this is number 10. And last but definitely not the least, number 12. Alright guys, so this is number 12 and I do believe itong number 12 yung kinamit ko sa wear test ko. Ngayon, it kind of looks similar to number 11. The only difference is, mas deeper siya ng very, very slight. Pero meron pa rin siyang, alam mo yun, orangey undertone. But I like number 12 better than number 11, to be completely honest. Kasi it's deeper. But yeah, anyway, this is the closer look at number 12. I'm sorry guys, nanginig ako sa part na to. So yeah, that completes the swatch guys. So do I recommend itong lip tattoo ng Sace Lady? Honestly, I do because it's very affordable and ang ganda ng finish niya. Long lasting naman siya to some extent, although hindi siya yung pinaka super duper long lasting lip product out there. Pero for the price point, may laban na siya, alam mo yun. Pero honestly, yung pinakahabol ko sa kanya, yung finish niya yung velvety finish niya. If you're tired of lip glosses and you want to go back to the matte, this is definitely a way to go. So I will link everything down below in case you're interested. And I do believe meron silang sale. Original price is $2.99 pero ngayon $139 na lang. And magto-12-12 na. Kapit ka kasi parang meron siyang buy 2 for only $1.99. Talaga ba? Nako, sana maabutan yung mga pinagchichika ko ngayon. Anyway, next video natin, I'm not sure, pero I have a feeling na umaatikabong skincare product. Again, thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!